Hello, dear. Do you know that in this lockdown period, we are not having a much tools that we can make an attractive video, but we are trying to provide a content with the help of that you can learn something, and I can build up your concept. Okay. Now, the area of triangle. Do you know what is the area of triangle? In area of triangle, we know that the area of triangle is just half of a area of rectangle. What is the area of rectangle? Length into breadth, and area of triangle is just half of area of rectangle. Area of rectangle, what is LB? LB divided by 2. Now we further understand the next thing important, that is the length. You see here, this is your length. This length we can say it is your base. We say that it is base, and this is your perpendicular thing, that is height. So this is your height. So now what is the area of triangle formula? 1 by 2 base into height. Now with the help of these things we can find the area of our triangle. But another thing is very important. What is height? This also we understand in different type of triangle. Then after we will do these problems. The first concept of height. Suppose you are standing on a floor. If on floor you are standing, you measure your height, or on ground. How you measure? Vertical position, and just which is making a right angle with the ground. But this is your height. But suppose you are sitting on chair, so do you measure that time height? Your answer is no. Height in the technical terms, the perpendicular distance from ground, it is your height or the figure side. Now the question number 1, that is find the area of the following triangle. Area of triangle we have told you 1 by 2 base into height. First triangle, what is her base? 16, and height what is 12. So its area 1 by 2 into base into height. So what is here? Put 1 by 2 same as it. Base how much here? 16. In multiply you write 16, and what is height here? 12. So you write here 12. Now simplify. 2 8 ja 16, 12 8 ja 96. So your area of first triangle is 96, and what is unit you write here? Centimeter square, because centimeter and centimeter are multiplied. Now on the next question, these are very simple questions. In question number 3, there is something, I think there is some problem in this question number 3. So this we will not discuss here. Now question number 4. In question number 4, you know very well what is your base. See, this is your base. Now what is height of this triangle? So its apex point, what is? This is its apex point. Its perpendicular distance from ground, what is? you write just line that is making a right angle with ground. So it is making a right angle with ground. You see here. Now this is your height. What is your height here? 7.2. Now you apply the formula. You can find your area of triangle. Find the missing values. So missing values: base, height, and area. Simple. We use here the formula of area of triangle and find the missing values. One question we will do here. The other question you do yourself. See, we here know that the area of triangle 1 by 2 base into height. So what is here? Base is given 18 and height is not given. So you write as it height, and what is your area is given 279. Means this is equal to 279. But if you want to find basic area here 279, if you want to find height, so this 2 is then division. You take in this side, so this comes in multiply, and this 18 comes in division. So write here 18 in division and 2 in multiply, and this gives your height. Simplify it. 2 9 is 18, 9 3 is 27, and 1. So your height is 31. In this first case, your height is 31 centimeter. Now other part you will try yourself. Now the question number is find the unknown value of x. Okay. To see here, first you identify what is your original triangle. This is your original triangle. In this triangle, what is your base? Suppose this is your base here. If this is your base, then what is your height here? X. So you know that the area of triangle formula what is? 1 by 2 base into height. So if you want to find the area of this triangle, so 1 by 2 into base, what we suppose here 16. So on this base, what is your height is x. This is your x. Okay. But here this line is also given here 12. Okay. This line is 12 given. Now if we suppose that this is our base, so on this base what is the apex point is this, and what is your height is this is your height. 5 whole 1 by 2. The 5 whole 1 by 2 if we change in mixed fraction form, so this you will write here 5 to the 10 plus 1 11 upon 2. Means this length, this height over 11 by 2. Now if we apply the same formula here, 1 by 2 base into height, the base how much? 12, and height how much? 11 by 2. Okay. Now we know that we have find the same triangle area in the both cases. We have changed the different time bases. We can make the base ourselves like that. If we rotate the triangle, so the base change according to you, as you rotating the triangle. Now in simplify, so do you know that this 2 and this 2 cancel, and this 2 divide this 12, here comes 6. Now here is left 11 into 6, and there is left in the left hand side 16. So if you want to find the value of x equals to comes here this 6 and 11 and multiply to 6 into 11 divided by 16. So 2 3 is 2 8 is 33 upon 8. So 33 upon 8 will simplify in next fraction to 8 4 is 32 plus 1 upon 8. It means your height is 4 whole 1 by 8. Okay. Now we move on the another question. Here you also do the same problem. One time this is base and height, the another time this is your base, suppose this is your height. In this case, if you want to find the value of x, again you identify what is your base, what is your height. On this line, this is your base and this is your height. And similarly, on the other side, this is your, suppose your base, and this is your height. Now apply the same formula. 1 by 2 base into height. 1 by 2 base, what is 16, and the height is 8. The same thing we can find in another way area. If this is base, this is your height. Now you write 1 by 2 12 into x. We want to find this x. So these all the numerals we send another side. So this 2 is division. We take on this side. It comes in multiply. 16 to 18 into not 8 here, and 2 divided by 12 and 2, you will get x. So this 2 cancel. 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 16, 2s are 32, 32 upon 3. You simplify, you will get tan whole 2 by 3, your height. Here this is your base. This what is 12 into height. Height how much on this base? 5 equals to again base into height. Maybe suppose this is our base. The base how much here? X. And this base, what is your height? We move on this base and we will get this is our height. What is that? Is our 6. If the height is 6, then simplify it. The 6 2s are 12, 5 2s are 10. Your height is 10. Now the last problem. In this last problem, 20 is base and 9.6 is your height here. Okay, and 16 centimeter is your base. On that, what is your height is, suppose x side, you multiply this and simplify, then you will get the value of your height. Okay, thank you.